That's not like you say 5 as well. That's how we talk. I think it's 2 inch there, Andrew. Where does it stop? Does it go? Where's the forecast stop? That's the Pendolino stop there, isn't it? 9 in the that's what it means. And 10 for the Voyager. That's a forecast, that's a stop there. That's not the one, I'll do one was going tomorrow, but that's one thing. Sorry, yeah. Just get the signal to the end. That's maybe called the slots again. So it's 4 outside before.
It.